Hi students, today we'll see about the questions and the solutions of fund-based accounting. In the previous video also I explained you what is fund-based accounting and how it is treated in the financial statement of a non-profit organization. Now we'll see the questions over there. The first question what you see here is question number 6 in this book. When you read out the question, how are the following items shown in the accounts of a non-profit organization? Here you can see, first of all it is given tournament fund, that is 50,000. Next, tournament expenses 15,000, and at last we have receipts from tournament 20,000. You can see here tournament fund 50,000, tournament expenses 15,000, and the receipts from tournament 20,000. So we'll just prepare a balance sheet extract. Please don't forget to write extract here, because we are not preparing the full balance sheet. We don't have all the figures. We're just preparing a part of that. So I've written there extract. On the liability side, first of all you will write the tournament fund. Whatever is the fund, the full format of balance sheet you prepare, liabilities amount, assets amount, but whatever information you have you will write only that. So first of all I have written tournament fund 50,000. Here you can see it is the tournament fund 50,000. There tournament expenses 15,000, that will be subtracted from the fund received for tournament. The tournament expenses 15,000 will be subtracted, and the receipts from tournament 20,000 will be added. So first of all I added the receipts from tournament, that is 20,000 here, and from there I have subtracted the tournament expenses 15,000. So 50 plus 20 is 70. 70,000 minus 15,000 is 55,000. So in this way you will show these items on the financial statement of a non-profit organization. I hope it is clear to all of you how the balance sheet will be prepared for showing these items. Next, question number 7 you can see here in the book. How are the following items dealt with in the accounts of a non-profit organization? Case 1 and case 2, two different cases are given. First of all let us go for the case 1. In case 1 we have prize fund 50,000, prizes awarded 12,000, and match expenses 15,000. Please note here, the fund was for the prize, not for the match. So the match expenses is altogether a different item. So match expenses will be directly written in the expenditure side of the income expenditure account. It will be added to the expenditure. 15,000 match expenses will be written in the expenses of the income expenditure account. Now we have received a prize fund of 50,000 and prizes awarded is 12,000. So we'll subtract the prizes awarded 12,000 from the prize fund of 50,000 in the liability side of the balance sheet. 50,000 minus 12,000 prizes awarded, the net balance of prize fund remaining will be 38,000. Some hints are also given here. Let us check that what they tell. Prizes awarded 12,000 will be deducted from the prize fund. As I told you, from 50,000 prize fund you will deduct the 12,000 prize awarded. The balance of 38,000 will appear on the liability side of the balance sheet. On the balance sheet you will show the balance 38,000. Match expenses will be debited to income and expenditure account, because there is no specific fund to maintain to meet the expenses. For match expenses we have no fund. We don't have a match fund separately. So match expenses will be written in the income expenditure account. This was the case 1. Now let us move on to the case 2. Here when you see, we have match fund 1 lakh, match expenses 35,000, investment of match fund 60,000. Out of the match fund 1 lakh we have invested some amount, that is 60,000. Next is interest on match fund investment 3,000. Here you can see interest on match fund investment, that is 3,000, and prizes awarded is 19,000. Here you have seen all this. Match fund will be shown in the liability side of the balance sheet. From the match fund you will subtract the match expenses. The match expenses will be subtracted from the match fund. The interest on match fund investment 3,000 will be added to the match fund. In the match fund from 1 lakh we'll add the interest on match fund expenses investments, and the match expenses 35,000 will be subtracted from the match fund. 1 lakh plus 3,000 minus 35,000. Investment of match fund will be shown on the asset side, 60,000. Investment of match fund 60,000 will be shown on the asset side of the balance sheet, and the prizes awarded 19,000. The prizes awarded 19,000 will be debited to the income and expenditure account, or will be shown in the expenditure side of the income and expenditure account, as the expenses were for match and the fund was for match, not for the prizes. Here you can see the hints. Interest on match fund investment will be added with the match fund. Whatever interest you have received on the investment, that is 3,000, will be added with the match fund. As I told you, 1 lakh plus 3,000, it will become 1,03,000, and the match expenses 35,000 will be deducted from there. The match expenses of 35,000 will be deducted from there. Here you can see the hint. Interest on match fund investment will be added to the match fund because it is the income of the particular fund. From the total match fund, 1 lakh plus 3,000, 1,03,000, the match fund expenses, that is 35,000. Here you can see the match expenses 35,000 will be subtracted. From 1,03,000, when you subtract 35,000, you will get the net balance of 68,000 that will be appearing as the match fund. The match expenses will be deducted, and the balance of 68,000 will appear on the liability side of the balance sheet. In the balance sheet, you will show 68,000 match fund. The balance of match fund remaining is 68,000 that will be shown on the liability side of the balance sheet. Next, prizes awarded 19,000 will be debited to income and expenditure account because there is no specific fund to meet this expense. The 19,000 prizes awarded will be shown on the income and expenditure account in the expenditure side. I hope it is clear. 1 lakh match fund plus 3,000 interest on match fund investment will be shown in the liability side. Match fund 1 lakh plus 3,000, 1,03,000. From 1,03,000, you will subtract the match expenses, that is 35,000. Net balance remaining 68,000 will be shown in the liability side. Investment of match fund 60,000 will be shown on the asset side, and 19,000 prizes awarded will be shown in the income and expenditure account on the expenditure side. Next is question number 8. How are the following dealt with while preparing the final accounts of a club? While preparing the final accounts of a club, that is a non-profit organization, how will be the following items dealt with? Let us see what are the items. Number 1 is match fund 80,000. Next is match fund investment 72,000. Next is match fund bank balance 3,500. Interest on match fund investment 2,880, and the match expenses 5,500. Now you can see here same thing as question number 7. The match fund 80,000 will be on the liability side of the balance sheet. With this match fund, you will add the interest on match fund investment, that is 2,880. Whatever is the income received on the match fund investment will be added with the match fund. 80,000 plus 2,880, it will become 82,880. From there, you will subtract the match expenses, as this is the match expenses. In the previous question, it was prizes awarded 19,000. So the fund was for match and the prizes awarded were not included, that we have written in the income expenditure account. But in the current question, it is the match expenses. So match expenses 5,500 will be subtracted from there. 80,000 match fund, that will be added with interest on match fund investment 2,880, and from there the match expenses 5,500 will be deducted, and the balance will be shown in the liability side of the balance sheet. On the asset side of the balance sheet, you will write match fund investment 72,000 and match fund bank balance 3,500. These two items will be written on the asset side of the balance sheet. There is no item to be written on the income and expenditure account in this question. Let us check the hints again. Match fund investment 72,000 and match fund bank balance 3,500 will appear as assets in the balance sheet. As I told you, match fund investment 72,000 and match fund bank balance 3,500 will be written in the asset side. On the liability side, interest on match fund investment 2,880 will be added to the match fund, and match expenses will be deducted from the match fund. This interest on match fund investment will be added with 80,000 and 5,500 will be subtracted from the balance of those two. The net balance of match fund 77,380 will appear on the liability side of the balance sheet. So this was the question number 8. I hope it is clear to all of you. Now move on to question number 9. In question number 9, it is told, from the following information of a club, show the amounts of match expenses and match fund in the appropriate financial statement for the club for the year ended 31st March 2019. From the following information of a club, show the amounts of match expenses and match fund in the appropriate financial statement of the club for the year ended 31st March 2019. In this question, when you check, first of all, we have match expenses paid during the year 31st March 19, 1,02,000. This is the total match expense that have been paid during the year, that is 1,02,000. Next is match fund as on 31st March 2018. On 31st March 2018, the match fund given in the question is 24,000. Next is donation for match fund. Here you can see donation for match fund received during the year 2019. Donation for match fund received during the year ended 31st March 19, that is 40,000. So donation for match is received, that is rupees 40,000. At last we have proceeds from sale of match tickets received during the year 31st March 2019, that is 15,000. So total match expenses are 1,02,000. The match fund in the previous year was 24,000. During this year we have received more donations for the match fund, that is 40,000, and the proceeds from the sale of tickets is 15,000. These items we need to show in the financial statement of the club. This you can see here for question number 9. Balance sheet of the previous year, because the match fund, that is 24,000, was available from the previous year. So previous year balance sheet I have shown first. Balance sheet extract as on 31st March 18. The current year going on is 31st March 19, to be ended on 31st March 19. So I have shown the balance sheet of previous year, that is 31st March 18, balance sheet extract. Here you can see on the liability side I have just shown the match fund. In the previous year we only has the match fund, so we were only having the match fund. So match fund of 24,000 have been shown in the previous year's balance sheet. Now you can see the current year's balance sheet. In the current year's balance sheet, the previous year's balance sheet, from there we'll copy the match fund 24,000. This is the current year's balance sheet extract as on 31st March 2019. In this we'll show the match fund of 24,000 from the previous year, plus donation for match fund. Whatever donation you will receive for the match fund, that will be added here, 40,000. Whatever proceed from the match tickets we have got, whatever match tickets we have sold and the proceeds from there 15,000, all will be added with the match fund. Donation for match fund as well as the proceed of tickets 15,000, both will be added with the match fund. So total comes to 79,000. Altogether it becomes 79,000. The match fund, donation for match fund as well as proceeds from the sale of tickets, together it becomes 79,000. But the expenses of the match expenses is 1,02,000. Here you can see, which is greater than the match fund as well as donation and proceeds of match tickets together. It is 79,000, but the match expenses are 1,02,000. So whatever is the amount of fund, 79,000, that amount of match expenses you subtract from here. Match expenses is 1,02,000, but we have subtracted match expenses 79,000 from this match fund. From this match fund we have borrowed 79,000 for match expenses, and the balance of match fund becomes nil. From 79,000 match fund total balance 79,000. From there match expenses of 79,000 we have subtracted. Balance becomes nil. The remaining match expenses will be debited to the income and expenditure account. Here I prepared the income and expenditure account for the year 2019. Here in the expenditure side you will show to match expenses remaining amount. Total match expenses were 1,02,000. Here you can see match expenses paid during the year 1,02,000. From this 79,000 is already deducted from the match fund. The remaining balance 1,02,000 minus 79,000. 1,02,000 minus 79,000, that is 23,000, will be shown to match expenses on the expenditure side of the income and expenditure account. Here you will show 23,000 match expenses. Now I hope this is clear to all of you. After this, the question number 10, it is already solved with hints provided that you will deal with. Now let us move on to the next topic of subscription, and before that I am just going to entrance fee. Entrance fee is a revenue receipt. Whenever it is received, it will be shown in the income side of the income and expenditure account. Whenever you receive any entrance fee, that will be shown on the income side of the income and expenditure account. Be careful for that. It is not to be shown as a capital receipt, not to be shown in the balance sheet. It is directly entered in the income and expenditure account on the income side. So entrance fee will not be a problem. During the year ended 31st March, case 1 is given. For example, let us see the question here also. How is the entrance fee dealt while preparing the final accounts for the year 31st March 19 in each of the following alternative cases? Case 1, during the year ended 31st March 19, entrance fee was received 1 lakh. In this only it is told that 1 lakh entrance fee was received during the year ended 31st March 19. So 1 lakh will be shown in the income and expenditure account on the income side. No problem with this. Case 2, during the year 31st March 2019, entrance fee received was 1 lakh. Out of this, 25,000 was received from individuals whose membership is not yet approved. In case 2 also we have received entrance fee of rupees 1 lakh, but out of this 25,000 are received from those people for whom membership is not yet approved. Since membership is not yet approved, so this 25,000 will be shown in the current liabilities in the balance sheet. Rest 75,000 out of 1 lakh. When you subtract 25,000, the remaining is 75,000. 75,000 will be shown as income in the income and expenditure account, and this 25,000 would also be shown as income, but for now it is shown in the liability side because their membership is not yet approved. So this was the topic of entrance fee. Now let us move to the topic of calculation of amount of subscription. Before we start any question here, I want to give you a brief note of what is subscription. Now subscription is an annual fee or annual payment made by the members to a club or to a non-profit organization. Whenever all the members or all the participants of a club or a non-profit organization pay annually a fee to the club, that is known as subscription. The subscription amount is fixed for all the members. They all need to pay equally, and every year they need to pay. Now for some members the subscription may remain in arrears even after the year end. For example, the year is going on 31st March 18, so 1st April 18 to 31st March 19. The year going on is 1st April 18 to 31st March 19. During this year, few members have not paid their subscription, so their subscription will be in arrears at the end of the year, that is on 31st March 2019. Their subscriptions are yet to be received, but few members are such that they have paid the next year's subscriptions also in this year. For example, they have paid the subscription of the year 1st April 2019 to 31st March 2020 during the year 1st April 18 to 31st March 19. So in the previous year or in the earlier year or in the current year, you can say in the current year they have paid the subscription for the next year also.